Our collective worldview of separation has mistakenly caused us to see ourselves as being apart from each other, our planetary home, Gaia, and the entire cosmos. In our forgetting of the essential unity of all existence, we've come to inflict devastating damage to the well-being of our human family, Gaia, and all her children. The illusion of separation drives division, fear-based behaviours, and a sense of scarcity exemplified by our global economic and financial system, with its inherent win-lose mentality, hierarchical structures, and fundamental injustices. A whole worldview, though, based on unity in diversity, nurtures a restorative and regenerative approach to economics, and a financial system founded on inclusion and justice. It values co-creative intelligence, welcomes and celebrates our globally diverse expressions of unity, and embodies evolutionary purpose within a framework that nurtures people and planet. It calls us to act local, whilst also feeling global and thinking cosmic, supporting individuals and communities embarking on ways of sacred normality, reconnecting with each other, Gaia, and the universal pulse of evolution that flows through us. And it can empower us to remember how to link up and lift up, to co-create lives of meaning, purpose, connectedness, and responsibility.